Be careful. Christian, slow down. Oh my God. I'm gonna wring your neck. Don't do that, Christian, don't. Christian, you've got to be careful. You cannot go towards the fence that fast.